loob sa pangunguna ni Homer C, who stopped scoring already with 13 points, 5 out of 8 shooting. Napaka-kinis nitong si Homer C sa first quarter.
At alalahanin nyo, yung import pa buwabantay dyan kay Homer C nung first quarter. In the meantime,
even bringing the ball down to finish the pass break by himself.
Yung hang time lang yung hindi pumasok.
Medyo mahirap talaga.
In the meantime, pinagpahin na nga po ni Coach Sean Vincent si Amal Macasco sa start ng ating second quarter. 7 seconds sa shot clock ng Air 21. A long three from Arwin Santos. He knocks it down.
Tumagilid pa si Arwin Santos. Hinahanap yung angulo. Angulo naman talaga ni Arwin Santos yan. That's why we're warning itong Magnolia. They may be on top. They were on top by 7. Now they're on top by 2. But this is not their game. This is not the kind of game that brought them to the semifinals.
That was a TN press from Arwin Santos. Puopose naman dito si Mark Pingris against Arwin. Maatras. Pingris played formally for the Air 21 Express. Missing on that attempt. Ito na ngayon si Erwin Soto, binigay kay KG Canaleta. Canaleta guarded by Don Ontiveros. He makes his move, floats in the air, partially blocked that time. Here's Don Ontiveros. They go to the post against Pinis. Same play. What does Mark do? Traveling. Ang tinawag dito against Mark Pingris.
Ang gigigil. At ika nga, kanina pa natin binabay, even the smaller players of Magnolia would like to score inside. At sina-challenge sila ng maigi yan. But not anymore sapagkat itong kukunan ng Air 21 mukhang laki ng kanilang depensa ng first quarter. Natututo ng kumikpit. But you see another turnover. An obvious double dribble ng Nino Canileta.
Dribbling violation, no? Dahil he locked the ball doon sa kanyang wrist At nakita yon ng ating mga referees.
And this is a virtually new team for both Air 21 and Magnolia sa palitan ng kanilang mga players. Wala na rin import itong kukunan ng Magnolia right now. Makaskil is resting.
Here's Don Ontiveros with a step back jumper. Wala pa rin. Arwin Santos losing that ball. Pero last touch pala dito kay Mark Pingris.
To tap the ball from the back. So itong Air 21, kung kanina nga may import yung Magnolia na ipapakita na nila na kaya nila makipagsabayan, Magnolia should now learn. Balikan nila yung kanilang depensa. I think that would be a better strategy for them.
Maganda dito sa Air 21, showing no signs of rustiness no? After an 18-day layoff. Siyempre, nag-ensayo naman sila ng gusto. Ito na ngayon si Mike Cortez going to strong side, which is his left.
Paborito talaga ni Mike Cortez yan. Pagtapos ng password with his left hand. Ang hirap pag sa balon nito. Especially with this man. Marvin Cruz is a smaller player than he is.
Ito naman si Arwin Santos pumangat. Napakataas kasi yung talon nitong si Arwin Santos. Yung jump shot niya, mahirap talaga pigilan yan.
At yung pabanda, ang hirap talaga ng mga angulo nitong kay Arwin Santos. Na-mention mo nga kanina, second din sa ating MVP race. Naalala mo rin last year, yun din yung nagbabangbangan for the Rookie of the Year.
Tama,
Big Ruga, sophomore ngayon na naglalaban sa MVP.
Ito na naman si Homer C. Mainit na mainit pa rin. Tuloy-tuloy naman for another layup.
Mapapakamot na si Coach Shot Tangkitsin. Hindi na ngayon lang ginawa ni Homer C. Kaninang first quarter pa ginagawa ni Homer C yan. Una was talent is 15 points.
Here's Mike Cortez. Don Ontiveros coming off 2 screens. Ontiveros against KG Canaleta. Gives it back to Cortez. 6 seconds to shot clock ng Magnolia. Uy, nako, miscommunication on part of Cortez and Pingris. Here's Arwin Santos zigzagging on the floor. Arwin Santos pulls up and gives the Air 21 Express the lead. A big run here by the Air 21 Express sa ating second quarter, mga kaibigan. Ito po Magnolia Beverage Masters. Hindi makapaniwala dito sa pinapakita ng Air 21 Express. Lamang na po uli ang Air 21.